In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find Google folder and click on it. Then select Files app that's already on your tablet. After tapping on it, if you never used it before, make sure to tap on Continue. Now tap on Downloads category. And to open any of your downloaded files, click on it on the left. Now to manage this file, you can use all of those options at the top right corner, or simply click on those three dots. So sorry, I misclick. Those three dots on the right. Then pick whatever you want to from this list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!